that's what this is about. Here, I'll let you do it. I made that. I piled all these rocks here. And I even, see the tube right there? The culvert? That was completely blocked. I crawled through that entire thing, digging it out.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. It goes all the way to the other side of my truck.
I kind of want to go in it.
You can now. You should be able to at least.
Aww. Well, he's on the other side now. Wow. So cool.
Right?
Look at that, babe.
Here I just...
Look at that. Doesn't that look like a dog? A dog head?
Yeah, it does.
Like, it almost looks alive.
And I was tired of having to come and clear all this and all the mud, so what I did was I just dug back on this wall and over there too until it was mostly rock. And I was like, okay, that's not gonna actually stay. And it seems to have stayed. I don't know if you remember what this looked like before.
A little bit. What do you got to say for yourself? All this damage that you're doing to this forest.
Thank you for coming with me. We gotta go pump water. Let's go.